What's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to recap my long trade on MIST. It happened to be a break-even trade, roughly $25 profit off a $3,000 position, so roughly break-even. And this stock, my overall analysis is that it had been very, very choppy, and there's been a lot of algorithmic manipulation, as was the case with MXC and MTP this week. So we're getting a lot of algorithmic choppy action. As you can see here, you have these huge fake breakouts and these false breakdowns, trapping shorts, trapping longs left and right. So you want to avoid this. I was looking for a good support level to buy off of. There wasn't anything this morning. If you look at the daily chart, you'll see that this was way over any support from the $5 area. So I was looking for intraday support. And I decided to take a long position at around 11:40 a.m. off of the 710 level, which was an area where shorts were squeezed pre-market. As you can see here, some shorts piled in and they got squeezed. So I was looking at a potential bounce and reversal off of this level. I took roughly a $3,000 position, as you can see, at 715, right at that support. And my plan was to sell into VWAP. As you can see, there were a lot of bag holders trapped here from this huge candle. As you can see, this dropped from 8.1 all the way to 750. Definitely some algorithmic manipulation there. So I was looking to take, my profits into that level where there were bag holders trapped. However, once this got a little bit momentum and failed, I gave it one more chance at, potentially reversing. And once it failed on that second attempt, I decided to get out and, preserve my capital, save my capital for a better setup. You don't want to be waiting for the support to crack because, it's getting later in the day. If you look at their filings, you'll notice that they have a S3 shelf registration active, so they can dump shares on you, and that usually happens towards the late afternoon. So you want to get out before 12. So I managed to escape this trade for break even. I'm still quite happy with it. Ideally, this would have happened a little earlier in the day. I think we would have gotten a better bounce. It's just that shorts were not as they weren't panicking as much to cover. They weren't as compelled because it was later in the day, and the chance of squeezing was much lower, and the volume started dying out. So this is just a more advanced technique, something to look out for when you're playing these reversals. When you're playing, when you're buying at support off pre-market highs, you want to be very cautious. And if you don't get that bounce in a couple minutes and it's getting later in the day, get out and save your capital. The market's been a little choppy this week. MTP, MXC, both a lot of algorithmic manipulation. And overall, the market seems to be cooling down a bit, but we'll see, what's in store for the next couple trading days. So anyhow, if you guys have any questions about my trade, leave a comment down below. If you're interested in trading with me, I'm opening up a free chat room to early subscribers in 2 weeks, so check out my website for that and subscribe for more videos. Hope you guys learned something, and see you in the next video.